Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 31st, 2023, and we're going to go take a look at our passion fruit vines. Now, I went up into this tree over here, this one you see, and trimmed out all those lower branches so that the passion fruit vine would no longer attach itself. You see the Dioscorea alata yam vine is climbing that palm right now. That is really intense. Those things are ferocious growers. But over here I've trimmed all the lower laying branches, and I've got this canopy set up. The thicker gauge rope that only costs like $5 each for a 100-foot rope at Home Depot. But these vines are really growing strong now. So if we look, this is like, I think, 2+ years old, somewhere around there. The vines are now starting to reach pretty far in. You see that? Pretty cool, huh? So what I want to happen is for these vines to take over this whole structure here that I have. I'll put supporting ropes here and there, and then attach them to the upper parts of the trees to give additional support and to lift this. I didn't know this would sag so much, but it is definitely sagging more than expected. But beautiful passion fruit vines growing. There are no problems here. They are growing really well all around this whole area, and every time they try to grow up the trees, I just train them to go that way over into the canopy, and they usually take to it just fine. But the thing you must know about the soil here is it is mostly just sugar sand. I didn't do anything special to the soil here. Nothing special to the soil over here. They're just growing like weeds in the sugar sand soil here in Florida. Now I'm on the border of zone 9B and 10A, so that should give you a little bit of insight into the weather conditions that we have here. Anyhow, that is all I have for now. These are still not bearing any flowers or fruit, so when they do, you will definitely be the first to know. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of our passion fruit vines. Have a great day.